Hi guys! Welcome back to Cookingee. For today's recipe, magluluto tayo ng buttered corn and carrots. For our ingredients, here is the list. You can also check our description box. Umpisahan na natin ang pagluluto. Melt butter in a pan. Kapag nag-melt na ang butter, pwede na natin ilagay ang carrots and saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, pwede na natin ilagay ang corn and saute for a while. Takpan at i-simmer for 5 minutes or until the corn and carrots are cooked. You can add salt and pepper to taste and mix it well. Luto na! Serve and enjoy with your family and loved ones. Hope you like our recipe. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on our next vlog.